friends, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and that is that time of month again for me to take out my knife that will unlock all the goodness that is the cache crate. And if you don't know what the cache crate is, it is a monthly subscription box. Every month, Lisa packs up geocaching goodies for you, and then she delivers them to your house, and it's like opening up a geocache inside with actually good swag. Let's be honest, sometimes when we open up that ammo can, there's not that great of stuff in it, but there's always good stuff that geocachers love in the cache crate. I want to say something about the cache crate this month that I don't know if I say enough, and that this is a subscription box. And when you get a subscription box, you of course are paying for all the goodies, all the goodness in there. And with the cache crate, it is a great value. But the other thing you're paying for is the experience. The experiencing of opening up, the experience of the surprise of what's in it. Because honestly, if there was something in the geocaching world that I needed, I would just go and buy that thing. If I wanted a particular geocoin, I would buy that geocoin. If I wanted to buy that tool, I would buy that tool. The point of the cache crate is that you're paying not only for the stuff inside, which is a great value, but you're also paying for the experience. And I am gonna experience it right now. So you can see what it's like. Also, we have a geocaching tee, which is also a t-shirt subscription service. When I get a geocaching t-shirt every month, we'll open up this after we open up the cache crate. Let's go. Open it. I have not seen it. I don't know what's in it. Here it is. It got a little shaken up in the mail, but look at that. Oh my gosh, lots of goodness. Let's take a look. I've not seen one of these for a while. We've got, it looks like, an official geocaching lanyard. We got the official geocaching words and the geocaching logo, and we have multiple things to hang upon it. These are good for a lot of things. People wear them in events and put their name tags on them. People put their GPS on it. People put their keys on it. These are always very nice. And it says here, hey, I'm a geocacher. We have some cute little swag. We got a little duck, and I think that duck is like a little spaceman. I was just watching a geocaching video the other day, and I saw a kid that actually collects these little ducks. So great swag, little space duck. As you may or may not know, there was a trackable code on the Mars Rover that just landed on Mars, and we got a little Mars Rover Perseverance patch. There it is. I don't know if you think this or not, but I think the rover looks a little bit like Johnny Five from that movie Short Circuit. Johnny Five's alive. I could put the patch just like right there. Look pretty snazzy right there. I'm a big fan of this. It is a geocaching sticker. I like to stick my geocaching stickers on my luggage, and it's covered. It's covered with awesome things. I might actually have to make a little bit of room for this new sticker. All the things that we love, or at least all the things I love. You can see, look at, I'm a fan of pins and buttons. We've got a geocaching logo lapel pin. Oh, absolutely perfect for the jean jacket. All right, I'm always a fan of the tools. We have another multi-tool. This is a little like hiker dude, and there's something different on this one. Look at that. There's a little mirror there, so like if you're lost in the forest, you can like flash like this and go, help me, help me, help me, I'm lost in the woods. Looks like this one has a carabiner, bottle opener, cord cutter, butterfly wrench, 1-inch ruler, flathead screwdriver, can opener, hex wrench, pry tip, signal mirror. This guy's just a great little hiking pal. And you can also get the add-on Trackable, which I did, and we got something that matches the patch. We have the Mars Rover Trackable tag, the Johnny Five Trackable. Did you see how much fun I had? Did you see that it was an experience? It was like a geocaching holiday, and for me, it happens every single month. You're paying for the awesome stuff, which is a great value, but you're also paying for the experience, the surprise. Now, if you're interested in the cache crate, go to cachecrate.com, and if it's open, you can subscribe. If it's not open, you can join the waiting list, and Lisa will email you when it's open. And if it's open, use the promo code GEO15, and you will get 15% off your very first payment. So you'll save more if you subscribe for 6 months or a year. Like I said before, it is also now time to open up my geocaching tee, and you get to experience with me, and you get to see what it is, even before I do, because you're gonna see it before I do. So I'm gonna look away. First of all, softness test. Yes, yes, pretty darn soft, pretty darn soft. Now you get to see the color. Ooh, ooh. We got a red, we got a red. I think this is the 5th shirt that I've gotten, and this might honestly be my favorite so far. I love the color, I love the design, I love what it says. It says, geocaching is out of this world. And we got Mars, And we got the Rover Johnny 5. I love this. All right. I think it's time. It's time to try it on. I can do this pretty quickly. Here we go. And yes. Oh, red is my favorite color, and the design is so cool. It's amazing, friends, that Lisa, she always knows my size because I tell her. I like the shirts that have been sent so far, but this indeed is my favorite. I'm gonna even wear this when I'm not geocaching. All right, if you're interested in being a subscriber to Geocaching Tees, just go to geocachingtees.com and subscribe, and you'll get a sweet geocaching shirt every single month delivered to your door. It is an experience, a wearable experience. Before I leave, I'm gonna do a couple things because I can apply a lot of these things I've gotten today right now. All right, the first thing I did, you guys, I put it on. I put on my new lapel. I put them right above my Marty McFly and right next to my Geocaching Tees button. This is my geocaching luggage. As you can see, lots of stickers on it already, and I've got to find a spot. I got to find a location for my new geocaching sticker. I almost feel like this one should go like right in the middle, but I don't want to take any off. Ooh, look at this side. I'm gonna take off the old logo sticker and I'm gonna put the new one on. Yes! Oh my gosh, look at that. So fresh and so new. All right guys, thanks for watching. Now go over here, watch me on another video, and I'll meet you over there. So, you know, we can keep hanging out, keep having fun. Don't leave. Don't leave me, please. I know you're tempted. Please don't. Please, right there, just right there.